Hey Chargers, Charger families and community, what another great week. But this week we are focusing on the amazing job that our students did for the musical Grease. I've thrown out just a few really short videos over the last few days just to give you a little taste of it, and from what I've heard, the crowds have been phenomenal. So I'm just glad I was able to attend one of those shows. So the rest of this video is all dedicated to them, and we will see you on the other side.
Well, down in Marysville, where the Chargers roam, we got a high school buzzing, it's our second home. Grease lightning's rolling, we're ready to rock. And Marysville, get you, we're taking the block. Come on everybody, let's give a cheer for the Chargers in Marysville, we're the ones you want to hear. Grease is the word, it's our time to shine on the stage and get you, we're feeling fine. And on those skirts too, we'll dance through the night, show you what we can do. From Sandy to Danny, we're playing our part. And Marysville, get you, we'll steal your heart. Come on everybody, let's give a cheer for the show.
It's the main brain Vince Fontaine, beginning your day the only way, with music, music, music. Before I play my next song, a few reminders to our listening crowd. Our show takes place in 1959.
I saw my problems and I see the light. We gotta love the thing, we gotta beat it. The chance that we can make it so far, we stop believing now that we can be who we are. This is the world. Right now, when I see grass from worldly matters, in palace or in hollow I may dwell.
Cheering together for athletic teams. Yay, ringtails. In days of worrying together when
Whole year already. Yeah, what a drive. Hey, you want to sit here? Sure. Rizzo's coming, and ooh, Frenchie's bringing that new chick. Huh? Do you want my coleslaw? I'll see if I have room for it.
Oh, I spent a lot of time down at the beach. Any new chicks? No. I just met this one that was
We got a brand new swimming pool right in the neighborhood. It's real nice.
Yeah, if you like swimming in Clorox.
Well, actually, I met a boy there. You hauled your Grease all the way to the beach for some guy? This was sort of a special boy.
Are you kidding? There ain't no such thing.
summer lovin', had me a blast.
Summer loving, having some fun.
I met a girl crazy for me.
Met a boy, cutest to me. Daddy, my love, I miss you more than words can say. Daddy, my love, please keep in touch while you're away. Never hard, wide and red. Fashion brings out some along the board. For the glory of the
days just mooning, so sad and blue, so sad and blue. I spend my nights down to Big Dance Bash at Red Out High. Along with me will be Mrs. TNT herself, Joni Casino, and the Gamblers. So make it a point to stop by the joint tomorrow, 7:30 tomorrow night.
Hey, Danny, you going to the dance tomorrow night?
I don't think so.
No? Oh, you're all broke up over that little gidget.
Who?
Come on, Danny. Why don't you take too.
Go to the dance tomorrow. Now that you quit school.
Yeah, I guess so. Why?
Oh, nothing. I'll see you there.
Hey, Nicky, how about giving me a ride tomorrow night? I can pick up a couple of dames at the dance.
Nah, yeah. Pick me up with what, huh? A meat hook? Nah, yeah. I got a blind date from across town. Or it is, she's a real bombshell.
I don't even know if I'll go.
Oh, why not, Marty?
I ain't got a date.
Oh, I know just the guy, right, you guys? Hey,
But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Let go of me, you dirty liar! Don't touch me!
Hey, let me go. I couldn't do nothing to her. That chick's flipped her lid.
You go on and tell them that all the things you've been saying about me were lies. Go on, tell them.
Sandy, what are you talking about? I didn't say anything about you.
You creep. You think you're such a big man, don't ya? Trying to make me look cheap in front of your friends. I don't know why I ever liked you, Denny. You go.
Sandy!
And I can't get a job in the Burger Palace. Not with those guys always hanging around. Boy, I wish I had one of those guardian angel thing like in Debbie Reynolds' movie. Wouldn't that be neat? Somebody's always better tell you what's the best thing to do.
I keep your people alive. What are you proving? You got the dream, but not the drive. If you go beyond diploma, you can join us at our pool, turn in your T's and comb, and go back to high school.
We made a start, now we're apart. There's nothing left for me. Love has flown all alone. I sit and wonder why I live out the one man move.
For each other, let's walk on the walk and move. Just like my brother who shattered
Remember, play it cool.
Sandy, what a total wicked.
What's 2 years to go?
We were just gonna go check out the Musketeers. How'd you like to come with?
Danny, what's gotten into you? You couldn't possibly be interested in that Lassie. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh!
Don't sweat it, Patty. I'll fix it up. I just got a new job that's bringing this miracle makeup up words. I need it. And my heart is set on you. And my heart is set on you. You better understand. This is my heart.
Nothing there for me to do.
You're
What a great show. Again, I was so proud. I am so proud of all of our students, for the parents, and to the entire Marysville School District for allowing and arranging for this production to take place. When you put kids together and let them shine, wonderful things happen. So, can hardly wait till next year when we get to see them in the spotlight, literally, once again. So, until next time, please make sure to make each and every day a great day the Charger way.